A very common misconception when it comes to qualifying for a home loan is in the realm of employment history. A lot of people think that you need to be at the same job or same employer for 2 or more years in order to qualify for a mortgage, and typically that in most cases that's not true. Now, when it comes to being self-employed, if you are newly self-employed, most lenders are going to require or look favorably upon your being self-employed for at least 2 or more years, depending on the product that it is we're looking to get you qualified for. But when it comes to W-2 wage earners, I've qualified people who have literally been on the job for a few days. We do, in just about any loan or mortgage application you're going to complete, we are going to ask you for a 2-year employment history, and that means that we want to see what you've been doing over the course of the last 2 years. Now, in many cases there may be gaps in employment, especially in the times of COVID-19, and in those cases, if there's a significant gap, we might ask that you provide a year or 2 prior, or the amount of time in which we experience that gap to go back further that many months or years, in whatever case it might be. But again, you do not necessarily have to be at the same employer for 2 or more years. And also, another thing that a lot of people may or may not know is that schooling can contribute or be a part of that 2-year work history. Let's say that 2 years ago or a year and a half ago, you graduated from UT or A&M or whatever school it was you went to. Trade schools also apply. Let's say you were going to school to be a truck driver or whatever it was you were doing. We would want to include that in the 2-year work history and then provide a copy of those schools' transcripts, and that can a lot of times fill the gaps in employment. If you have any questions about any qualifications for a mortgage, work history, you want to get a comparison, as always, please feel free to click the link below or give us a call. And please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you find this information valuable. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.